In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Shopify earnings 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your sales numbers in Shopify and how to read them with confidence. Start by heading to the Shopify website and signing in to your store's admin. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and open Analytics. This is your command center for performance, with dashboards and reports that summarize how your store is doing. If your numbers look off at first glance, remember that the date range at the top controls what you see. Pick the period you actually want to review so the data matches your expectations. Inside Analytics, use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Type sales. Shopify will surface relevant reports and metrics so you don't have to hunt around. This is the easiest way to jump straight to the views that shed light on revenue trends, order activity, and buyer behavior. From the search results, open the report called New Customer Sales Over Time. This view focuses on first-time buyers, showing how much revenue is coming from people making their initial purchase from your store. It's a great way to gauge the health of your acquisition efforts. Scan the chart to see peaks and dips, then check the summary totals. If you're comparing campaigns or seasons, align the date range and, if needed, filter by channel to keep the comparison fair. Next, switch to total sales. This gives you the broadest picture of your earnings for the period you selected. Total sales typically rolls up paid orders along with adjustments like discounts, returns, shipping, and taxes, depending on your store's configuration. Use this to answer the big question: how much did the store sell in total? If a number seems lower than expected, look for refunds or discounts included in the calculation, and make sure you're viewing the correct currency and time zone for your business. A quick tip as you review: earnings in Analytics reflect sales performance, while actual cash reaching your bank follows your payment provider's payout schedule. If you're reconciling revenue with deposits, remember that timing differences and refunds can make the two views look different on a given day. That's all you need to check your Shopify earnings quickly and accurately. Go to Shopify, open Analytics, search for sales, review new customer sales over time to understand first-time buyer revenue, and confirm your overall performance with total sales. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.